So I got the rolling walker from Strander Wander. Now in this video, I'm going to go over some of my favorite features about this walker and hopefully answer any questions that you do have along the way. So the first thing that I love about this walker is it comes fully assembled for you. So if you are looking for something that's going to arrive on your doorstep, no assembly to it, you can just use it right away. This will be it. Now the second thing I love about this walker is going to be actually how easy it is to transport. So there's going to be a lever right in here. So all we're going to do is pull this up. At this point, we can fully collapse it so it is pretty small, and it only weighs 14 pounds, so you can easily lift it into the back of your car. And they also do have some clips up here too, so if you don't want it to expand on you, maybe a little longer type trip, you can do that. Then when you get to your destination, we just unclip this, expand it, push down the seat, and you're good to go. So you can have this in and out of your car, ready to roll in only a couple seconds. And now the final thing I love about this walker is going to be the amount of storage space that you get on there. So you're going to have pockets in the front here with a storage bag. Underneath, you're going to have a larger kind of bin for you that you can put a lot more stuff in. So this is a lightweight walker that can be easily moved around, but you don't have to sacrifice storage, which I do like. So you're going to have nice padded seats here to sit on, brakes that are super easy to use. It's going to be a foam handle, so it's not going to hurt your hands. You can squeeze it as hard as you want when you get to your spot. You want to put the anchor down. That's all you got to do, and it's not going to move around on you. And it's going to be like that on both handles. So overall, this walker, super easy to use, absolutely no assembly to it, and has a bunch of cool features as well. So very happy with this. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up.